Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Zillow Rental Manager app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Zillow Rental Manager is a comprehensive platform designed for landlords and property managers to list, manage, and track rental properties. The app provides features like online rental applications, tenant screening, rent collection, lease management, and maintenance tracking. It also includes analytics and reporting tools to help users monitor property performance and optimize management workflows. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Zillow Rental Manager for its intuitive interface, streamlined workflow, and reliable management tools. It makes listing properties, screening tenants, and collecting rent simpler and more efficient. The reporting features and notifications help landlords stay on top of multiple properties and track financials easily. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features require a paid subscription, which may not suit casual landlords or small-scale property owners. Occasionally, users report minor technical glitches or delays in updates. Also, while the app is powerful, it may feel limited compared to a full desktop property management system for very large portfolios. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Zillow Rental Manager app may be worth using if you're a landlord or property manager looking for an easy-to-use, centralized tool for rental management. It excels in convenience, efficiency, and property oversight. However, if you're not ready to invest in subscription features or need a more extensive management system, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.